Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the flight test of the CUAV X25 EVO paired with the Skydroid G12. The CUAV X25 EVO controller is fully upgraded with a 10V 18V high-voltage power supply, which greatly improves power efficiency. Its baseboard integrates a 5V15A high-power DC-DC converter, and the external interface supports 5V12A output, providing ample power for heavy-load devices. The G12 is suitable for video transmission, data transmission and control of helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, multirotors, vehicles, boats and other unmanned platforms. The Skydroid G12 remote controller is a cutting-edge product designed for both UAV enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced features and innovative technologies, it delivers an unrivaled control experience. Products used in this flight test: CUAV NEO4 CGPs, CUAV X25 EVO Flight Controller, Skydroid G12 Remote Controller, Pre-flight preparation. Power on the drone without installing the propellers. Connect the remote controller to Mission Planner via TCP. Arm the motors and check whether each motor rotates in the correct direction. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Once pre-flight checks are complete, you are ready for takeoff. The CUAV X25 EVO adopts a revolutionary 10V, 18V wide-range power architecture. It features an all-new industrial-grade IMU sensor matrix. It uses carefully selected TDK industrial sensors with high precision, high vibration resistance, wide measurement range, low noise, and minimal temperature drift. The IIM series sensors are paired with a high-precision temperature-controlled external active clock to reduce ODR error. A dual temperature compensation system redefines the precision standard of sensor performance. Other hardware features include high-performance H7 processor, 4th-generation tilted symmetrical damping matrix vibration reduction system plus external fixed-ear damper, CAN bus plus 100 megabits per second Ethernet, supporting ESC motor telemetry, standard PMU2 light high-voltage high-current power detector, supports 3.3V5V PWM level switching. We can see that even under large stick movements, the aircraft remains extremely stable. The Skydroid G12, equipped with a Qualcomm 6nm processor and Android 13 embedded system, delivers smooth operation. The new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module supports automatic frequency hopping and MCS dynamic adjustment, achieving up to 20 km transmission range. When flying the CUAV X25 EVO together with the Skydroid G12, the overall experience is outstanding. Control feels silky smooth with no noticeable delay or stutter, resulting in an effortless and responsive flight experience. This concludes today's CUAV X25 EVO and Skydroid G12 flight test video. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will keep bringing you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and usage guides. See you in the next video.